Today we will make lockdown special pineapple cake. We will make this cake with everything you can find during this lockdown period. As we are making everything from the scratch, so first we will make icing sugar. If you already have, you can skip this. So I am taking 1 cup of sugar, adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour into it and grinding it into a powder. We are also going to make whipping cream without the whipping cream, without any heavy cream. You have to chill your bowl into freezer and the whisk you are using in the freezer. Here I am using a hand mixer, so I have also frozen those attachments. So we are going to use Amul fresh cream, which is a low fat cream. For whipping this low fat cream, we have to use an ice bath. If we don't use an ice bath, our cream will turn into butter. So what we are doing, we are taking the thick portion of the cream. We will not take the lighter portion of the cream, the thin portion of the cream. Whip this very well. It takes around 15 minutes in a hand mixer. If you are whipping with your hand, it can take about 25 to 30 minutes. So after your cream is little bit double in the size, you can add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar into it. Now you can see after 15 minutes I have achieved the stiff peaks. Now you can preheat your gas system or the oven. Here I am using a gas system. Here I have taken a steel vessel, poured some salt into it and added a metallic stand on it. We'll cover it and preheat for at least 15 to 20 minutes. If you are using an oven, you can preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for minimum 15 to 20 minutes. Now we will prepare the cake batter. Here I have taken half cup of milk, added 1 tablespoon of vinegar into it. Mix it well and keep it aside. Now take 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of oil and 2.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Don't use icing sugar here. Add half cup of condensed milk and mix it very well. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now we are going to add the milk mixture which we have prepared. Make sure to keep drinking water as this process is going to be very long. Now we are going to add all the dry ingredients. Make sure to use a sieve. Now I am adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Corn flour will help to set this cake very well. Sieve this very well. Sieving will help to avoid any lumps in it. Now mix it very well. Cleaning is very important. We will grease our molds. Add a butter paper into it. If you don't have butter paper, you can add extra oil. Now I am adding the batter into it. After adding the batter, tap it very well to remove the air bubbles and to set it very well. Now we are going to place our cake mold in the gas system and oven respectively, whatever you are using. Here comes our main ingredient, pineapple. Here I am using canned pineapple slices. You can also use fresh pineapple. just boil it in sugar solution and it will be ready. So guys, after 25 minutes our cake is ready in the cake system. In oven at 180 degrees Celsius, it can take 30 minutes. But remember to check the cake with a toothpick or something. So now we will separate the pineapple from its syrup. We will use both the pineapple pieces and the syrup. You'll see in the video further. Make sure to keep your pineapple syrup safe. For cutting the cake, you can use a knife. If you don't have a big knife, what you can do is take a thread, place it very well where you want to cut the cake, like I am doing, and pull the thread like this. Don't worry about small cracks. We will cover it up with our cream. So here I am doing something wrong. What you have to do is put the pineapple syrup which we have collected on the cake and then put the cream. So I am adding the pineapple syrup very late, but you don't do it. I am repeating it again. Now we will add the pineapple pieces, so you can cut it according to your likings. So after adding pineapple pieces, apply the cream again. Here I am doing it rightly. Spread your cream as evenly as you can. Use all the knife for everything you can. Here I am using a butter knife and a knife. Set this cake for at least 30 minutes in the fridge. Now after 30 minutes, I am decorating the cake with pineapple pieces. So after decorating it, place your cake in the fridge for at least 1 to 2 hours and it will be ready. So our pineapple cake is ready. Do enjoy it. Do subscribe to my channel and we'll see you in the next video.